Today I'm going to make some pork chops. I've had 4 center cut pork chops marinating all day today. And for the marinade, I just used a half cup of oil. I didn't have any olive oil, so I just used a vegetable oil. And in that oil, I put seasoned salt, garlic powder, ground cumin, oregano, onion powder, and crushed rosemary. And you just add that to taste. And I also added a little thyme, probably about a quarter to a half a teaspoon each. I let that marinate all day. I've got about 3 tablespoons of shortening heating up, just on medium heat. Right now I'm just dredging each side in flour. I normally would use an egg to dip these in first, but I just realized I'm out of eggs, so we're gonna see how this works out. I'm sure it'll be fine. Not the first time I was out of something and had to improvise. These chops are boneless and probably about 3/4 of an inch thick, so I'll just keep an eye on them and check for doneness. They're not that thick, so it'll probably take about 20 minutes, about 10 on each side. While the pork chops are frying, I've taken some biscuits out of the freezer that I made and froze a few days ago, and I'll go ahead and take a few of those out. They're going to thaw, and they thaw very, very quickly. I'll put those in the oven that I've preheated to 350 just to warm those up. Okay, I turned the pork chops over and I added a little more shortening. It was beginning to get a little dry. I'll let those finish browning on that side. Then I'll reduce the heat and just let them cook a little slower until they're done. I decided some mac and cheese would taste good with this, so just getting that started. Okay, so the meal is finished now, and I ended up letting the pork chops fry for about 25 minutes. I made some mac and cheese, heated up the biscuits, and added some French cut green beans. I'm going to go enjoy this now.